Owner.
In the browser, go to /user/hive/warehouse. So yesterday I have told you it is the green whatever it is showing. It is the latest version. I mean this is the uh, Hadoop 2 UI. Okay, if you want to see the legacy UI, you just go down at the bottom corner. At the right bottom corner, you will see legacy UI. So if you click on that legacy UI, it will help you to go with the older version of the UI. If anyone feel difficulty here,
Where is legacy UI Ravi here?
bottom corner of your web browser. Still come down, Murali. Bottom corner, left bottom corner. It will be in the very light color. It will be watercolor. The font will be in watercolor. You have to
Ah,
observe
yes.
closer.
Yes, yes. We are able to see legacy UI.
Yeah, click on that.
Legacy UI. Legacy.
Yeah, yeah.
Legacy.
Legacy UI.
Yeah.
You're not able to see
Yeah.
Murali?
No, Ravi.
Okay. In this case, you just remove other. See, go to your address bar. In the address bar,
Okay.
till port number, you remove everything. Till port number. You just enter 50070. Only that and give enter. Give enter.
Okay.
And I think it's still loading, right? 1 second.
Oh, yeah. It's waiting for local host. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now go your bottom of uh, right
Right side.
right
Right
hand
side.
side. Still go down. Still go down. Go down. See here something called
Yes,
legacy UI.
it is there, no? It is
It is
there.
there. I'm also
Below
able to
active.
see.
State active below to
Yeah,
that.
that one
Yeah.
Murli.
Yeah, his state is active. Okay.
So below that,
Below to that only. Below to that one. Line is there, no? Next to
very
that.
light color. It is too light color.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Your cursor is
Oh
nearby
yeah,
that
yeah,
only.
Click
yeah.
on that.
Yeah.
Click on that. This is the old UI. Okay. From here it's very
Okay.
pretty simple, but that looks better. But you can also look at here. So click on the browse the file system. Click on the
And
user.
then we also do that.
I think Murli now you didn't create any folder. Oh, under user you have created. Okay. /hive warehouse.
Slash have warehouse.
Yeah. So here Murli, if you see, just go back.
Mm-hmm.
Just go back to warehouse. You can click here. No need to go there. You have a go to parent directory. There is an option available. So EMP test is your table. All right.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
whatever the table you have created in Hive, that's nothing but a folder in your HDFS.
What is
Right.
this, Ravi? HiveDB.db.
This is the metadatabase. What are the database you have
Oh,
created?
oh, okay.
So click on that. Hive metadb, hive.db.db. That's also take it as a directory. So as of now, nothing is there. You are not using that for anything. So go to parent directory.
For me, employee created in under that no?
So you might have created, you have used the database and you might have created employee in it.
Yeah, employee table I created and I uploaded data into that
No,
actually. Local.
you have created that correct. So, but Murli has used the default database. No, he didn't use the Hive DB, right?
Okay.
Yeah, yesterday I used default database.
So if you use the Hive DB, so the tables will be created under the Hive DB.
Okay. This hive db.db will create automatically. No?
Yes, so you have given a configuration files, right?
Okay, like hive site.xml like
Yes,
there. No?
yes.
Okay. There we given like some hive
No,
metas
not
to
that
some.
one, not that one, not that one. So
Okay.
after logging
Okay.
into Hive, we
Hmm.
have used a command yesterday, create database name,
Okay.
that one,
Database name. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
that one. See here the database also is nothing but a folder.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, click on employee test, Murli. Employee test is your table name, and whatever the data I have loaded, that data is a file. The file is just moved to your warehouse. What does it mean? It means the whole control is taken by your Hive. Correct?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
Murli, go to your user, click on the user. You can click on here only, Murli. Content directory, yeah, click there only.
Okay.
Okay, go to under Murli. I mean, I just want to see is there any data. Okay, in this, let me see any data
Samples.
samples. Samples also directory. Okay, nothing is there in it. Let me
I
go.
know I copied some data.
1 second, Murli. I'll just do that. I'll just navigate
Okay.
myself. Result.txt. Result.txt. Okay, some result is there here. Okay,
Yeah.
so okay, yeah. Let me load this data. Let me load this data. Data into Hive. Let me load this data into Hive. Copy this path. Go to your text.
Okay. Next. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you have multiple are open.
Mm.
So can you open other where you have load command, Murali?
Load command.
Yeah. So you might have taken the load command, right?
I mean this one.
No, you didn't type the load command in text file
No, I didn't type it. I just typed from directly
directly
here.
here only. Okay. So always better type your commands in uh, uh, text file. So because we can, if you want to modify, you can use that. You can. So okay. Use go up arrow. Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Here, remove that path, the old path. Remove that path. Control Shift V. Control Shift V. Control Shift V. Press Murali.
One
Control
second.
Shift V. Yeah. Yeah. So remove that local. Remove. Yes. Now enter.
I'll put another table.
No, no, no. Let it be in the same table. Let it load in same. I'll show you the difference.
Okay.
What it is then? Loading data to a table default dot emp test. It means that the data is loaded. Now you just say select star from emp test, Murali. You just say select star from emp test. Enter. You'll see surprising. What is this?
All nulls.
All null. Why all null? Because whatever the data I have loaded, it didn't find the comma. Comma is delimited. If
Mm.
you remember, while creating a table, you have specified to your schema saying that my rows looks like this. If you didn't find like this, it will store null values. Right? Now go to your HDFS. I mean
Sorry,
browser. I'm talking about the
Veera, could
browser.
you repeat again, please?
Yeah.
Why it is came null?
Because in this data, in this Murli, that if you see the data, it has a single column, okay, and the single column doesn't specify the commas. So while creating a table, if you remember, Suresh, while creating a table, row format delimited fields terminated by comma, right? That is what the table we have created yesterday. So in the data, if it is not find comma, till it, if first it check for the, is there any first comma? If it finds the comma as the first, at the first at least one comma, till the time it will take as a single column. The rest of things will take it as null. But in this data, he doesn't have any comma to delimit the data. Now it is not able to delimit the data. That's why it is loaded everything as a null.
Oh, but one question, Veera, like, when fields are terminated by comma, but rows are terminated by enter, right? So in this case, at least
We,
one row should
we,
be
we,
completed.
we didn't
Others
know
are,
where we have specified that.
you didn't mention that. Oh, okay.
Not only that, even enter is a new next row. In the next row also it will look for the comma only, no? Even if specified, the lines are terminated by slash n or new line character. In the new line, again it will search for the new column, right? I mean, comma, right?
True, but if comma is not there, then at least one column should populate, right?
No, none of see, how it will populate. If you didn't find the comma itself, how will populate the one column? If you want to
Oh, it
populate at
doesn't
least
know
one
where to
column,
end, right?
yeah. So you can do one thing. In this data, Murli, this data is there, right? You just specify single comma, first comma. Murli, you do one thing. Copy this whole data. You can double click or you can say Control A, I think. Yeah. Copy. Open text file. Open a new Control N. It will help you to open the new.
Yeah.
No, it's always opening the new file. Okay. So at the end of each file, you just save comma. I mean each word, just give comma. I just want to show you the difference. Okay. You can just give for 4 or 5. Rest of them you can remove, Murli. No need to waste the time.
Okay. Okay.
Save it.
We'll save in.
You can save on desktop or anywhere. No, you are searching it actually. You didn't change the name.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
If someone is playing my video,
No, no, Ravi. That is actually Madhu is taking some other class.
okay. Okay. Now you load this file, Murli.
Okay, we load using
Yeah, local.
local, right?
So you can copy the path, no?
Say we saved in the desktop, right? See here.
Yeah. So what is the file name you have given? You just change the file name. If you give extension, you have to give the extension also. Okay, give enter. The file is loaded. Now do a select star from EMP test Murli. Now, okay.
Because we given ID, name, and 3 variables, right?
Type is matters actually. Now, yeah,
Yeah.
type. So first column is ID, okay,
Yeah.
and the first column ID is not able to. The type is not matching. So when the type is not matching, it loads. It loaded as a null.
No,
Okay.
I think we need to modify that.
No, you don't need to modify. You give the comma before.
Yeah, I just will give comma before.
Save. Okay, Suresh, are you able to follow what I'm trying to explain here?
Yes, Veera.
Okay. So select star from this. Now see Murli.
Yes.
So first comma, it founds, it delimited. Okay. After delimiting, first before first comma, that was a space that is empty. So it is not matching with your data type. That's why it is taken as null. And after comma, it found something which is similar to text. So it has taken. After the comma, so after the second comma, it found empty. It loaded as null. So what does it mean? If type is not matching, it will take it as null. and it will not able to find the comma. I mean delimited. Field is not able to find the fields. It finds the empty string or empty. So it will load as a null. Clear about this? Suresh and Murli, Manu, Kishore
Yes, Ravina.
and Raghu.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So go to a
Veera,
browser.
if we have commas, 2 commas after the first value, then
After first value 2 comma means, okay, if you have
oh,
multiple, okay, you have only 3 columns in your table, but you have a 4 commas. That's what you're trying to say.
mhm,
So you're trying to say, you have a 3 columns in the table, but you have a 4 fields in a data. That's what you're trying to say.
exactly.
So in this case, it will take only first 3 columns. Rest of the fourth column it will be ignored. You can just try.
Okay.
Go to text file, Murali. These are all experiments. Okay, we have to.
Understand, yeah.
Yeah. So close this file and open. You.
Just I put like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's also fine. Yeah.
I think this is too fine, right?
Yeah. 3 lines are fine, Murali.
Yeah.
Battery. Could you please connect your battery?
Yeah, I'm after executing this command.
No, you're sharing screen, right? It will consume more battery.
Yeah.
Suresh, if you see, after
Mm-hmm.
Murali there is some value. Okay. After that there is some comma. So those fields are ignored. Even though in the data, if you have more fields, those fields will be ignored. Whatever is matching to your columns, I mean, till how many columns it is delimited, those columns only will be considered, and the rest of the columns will be ignored.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now, now you just look at. I'm going to show you the browser. Let Murli also come.
Yeah, Ravi, I'm back.
Okay. So it still is not connected. It seems the battery is
Just
not
one
connected.
second. Let me check.
No, switch. It seems that you are not switched on the. Switch on the battery, Murli. I mean, your power plug.
I don't know. For some reason, last 2 days onwards, my outlets on.
Check with other outlet. That the to the video getting shared, right?
Let me try another outlet. No. Oh my God. Why my battery is not working today? No.
No, it's not. Then some problem with the. You check the cord. The wire is connected properly to the cord.
Yeah, Ravi.
Okay, okay. I mean, those are
Let me go to my workplace.
those are the basic troubleshooting steps.
No, not from 2 days onwards. I'm seeing. I need to call to. I don't know for some reason. I need this laptop. No.
Yeah. In meanwhile, Manu and others also please do the same thing. What are the steps we have done in the Murli machine? So try to load multiple data into the same table.
Okay.
What could be?
I think it's connected, Murli. Please check.
No, Ravi.
Oh, it's not blinking. That's what. Okay. Okay. Now. Mhm.
What to do? Finally,
Okay.
I think I need
Congratulations.
to give a call to help us.
Okay.
Lenovo people. I
Yeah.
have 3 years warranty.
Oh. Okay. So let me. Okay. I don't have controller seems. Okay. So now go to your browser. Yeah. Go to. Let me go to the parent directory. Let me go to parent directory one more time. One more time. Yeah. Now please observe, guys. Hive warehouse and employee test. Don't surprise by seeing this. See here. What happened? Result
For
has been
every time it's
loaded.
creating a copy.
Exactly. If you try to load the same data, if you try to load the same data, the file name is same file name, it will not update the existing one. It will every time it will load the new file. Whenever you load, if you try to load the same file, it will create a copy files. If you try to load the different files, it will. It's actually it's a HDFS, Murali and others. It's a HDFS. HDFS doesn't understand a table or whatever you're doing. HDFS understands only folder and files, right? Here the folder is nothing but a table in your Hive. Here the file is nothing but a data in your table, right? But here and in HDFS layer, what it will do, it will just whatever the files you are loading, it will just take it as a files. But when you try to access from the Hive, it is show you as a table. How it is happening? Because whenever a query, it will go and talk to a metadata, which is a MySQL database in your case, and it will fetch the schema. That schema will be applied on the data which is there in HDFS. Now you guys clear how it is working? Murli,
Yeah,
Suresh.
Ravi. Yeah, we understood that. But like, see, because here you are loading small files, it's okay. But
Mhm.
in real time scenario, right, you are receiving the big files. So you are loading, I mean, sometimes if like when you are doing the testing phase,
Mhm.
so you want to load multiple times, it's creating, multiple,
Correct. It
I mean,
obviously
n
will
number
create
of
multiple
times.
files only. In the HDFS, while you loading the data and multiple times from the same table, it will load multiple times. So for that, what do you need to do? First, you need to drop, or first you need to delete your data from the table. Then you have to load the new data.
Oh,
Else we can do override, na?
We cannot.
Override.
That is insert to override. That I'll show you later point of time. That we'll talk about in insert command.
Okay.
Understand? This is the basic functionality of your Hive. And also, Murali, you have moved the result file, right? You have loaded the result file from HDFS. Okay.
yes.
So can we go ahead and check that HDFS result file is available or not? Where it was? Murali under input
Only
files,
file input.
file input. So where is the result? The result is not there.
Small.
The file has been moved to warehouse. In the manage table, if you give a HDFS as a path, if you load the data, ideally we load a HDFS path only in the real time and in the real time. Okay. So then what is happening? The result input has been moved from this location to your warehouse. Suppose let's assume that from this location someone is accessing that file. Let's assume that from this location your pig or your MapReduce or something is accessing that file from this HDFS location. But somehow you have created a managed table and you have loaded the data from this location. So what happened? The data has been moved from here. So when your MapReduce is running, your MapReduce can get the data.
No.
It cannot get because it's not able to find the data in this location. Your pig, no. Now, if you just go ahead and delete your table, you just drop your table. What will happen? your result.txt, whatever the data I have loaded into the table, that table, the complete data will be deleted from the HDFS as well. Sorry, actually I have stopped the recording, so we have missed a very important.
Sorry.
Okay, good. So do you have a setup, Hive setup with you?
No, I need to do it.
So please do a setup and try examples. Until unless you do examples, you won't get anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Is it possible to connect by evening?
today evening, you give me a call by
Yeah,
8:30. After 8:30, Raghu. So I'll tell you.
sure.
Okay.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So any doubts, Murali, Manu, Kishore, Suresh?
Good evening.
Ravi,
Oh, Veera.
we are good on today.
Okay, good. So I hope you guys are enjoying the Hive sessions compared to MapReduce.
Yes.
Yes, anyhow, it is simple, Veera.
It's very simple.
MapReduce is too much code.
Yeah.
Too many
So
things we need to import.
yeah, you guys can ask me like, oh, why Veera, you could have tell me this before only before MapReduce. So once we go through the struggle, we can easily we can enjoy the days, the easy days. Like if you go easy days and if you start struggling, you will not understand. You won't show interest at all. That's the main no thing. That's why I have planned like this. If I teach Hive first and everyone will be comfortable with the Hive, then if I start teaching MapReduce, no one will show
No one will
interest
show interest.
because anyway I have Hive. Why should I go with MapReduce? But plays a very good role in the interviews. Okay, now as of now we are just seeing the select queries. Okay, we just seen the select queries. If once you go into complex queries like joins or like some fetching some different kind of some where conditions, some where clauses, minimum maximum, so internally it turns into a map reduce. Actually our Hive queries will create a map reduce jobs internally and they're executing a map reduce. That I'll show you. So how much? Sorry.
We are using the procedures and functions also.
Yeah, we will not going to use the procedure and functions which is user defined, but uh, there are some default functions are available, min, max. Those are called aggregate functions. And if you really want any function with your own, will write
Not,
UDFs. We will write
not
UDF.
SQL functions, I am asking.
No, there is no
PLSQL
PLSQL
functions.
functions are there. It's not available in Hive.
Okay.
If you want, you can see that Murli, just go to a terminal, type show functions, enter. So it lists out all the aggregate functions what are there available with the Hive.
Okay, only aggregate functions.
Okay.
So how we can show in a page wise, Ravi?
That's not sure. So you have to go to drag up the page wise. Not sure. Show functions. I don't think it'll work. It's not a Linux command. No, it's not Linux command actually. It is this, right? This is SQL command, right?
Okay, okay.
The combination of Linux and SQL. I don't think it'll work. It'll not work. Okay. That's it. That's it for today. So that's what Raghu. We don't have anything called procedures, triggers, cursors, and functions like a PLSQL. But here all are very straightforward, very straight questions because it's a data warehouse system. The procedure, cursors, functions is required for the database. That's for OLTP. This is OLAP. OLAP is most of them are like a select queries because to get the results to generate the reports. Am I right, Suresh?
What, Veera?
Yeah.
So OLAP, most of the queries will be select queries because we need to
Exactly.
get some data, we need to display the results. So it won't be something called update, alter something. If it's something required, we can do it. It doesn't mean that we will not do. But most of the queries are like our select queries in a OLAP. So that's why we don't need the procedure functions, cursors, triggers in a data warehouse system.
what he asked previously is the phase-wise.
Yeah, if you want to display the show all the functions page wise.
Oh, okay.
See here the functions are listed out in the on the row. I mean one column. We have to drag up to see the all the functions, right?
Yes, yes.
So you want to see one after one. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Yeah, that's it for today. We'll see tomorrow. We'll meet tomorrow, and we'll start with the external tables. So the external tables are very much important. So you'll easily differentiate what is the difference between our normal table and external table. But external tables are we need to play. You need to do so many experiments in it. I'll show you those experiments. Those experiments are already available. And if you guys have a time, wants to go through a videos, you guys can go through a videos which are available in the same drive. Hive drive, Hive, what you call Hive videos. Okay. Yeah, fine guys. Thank you.
Thanks, Veera.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Have a good day.
Wish you the same. Thank you.
Thanks, Ravi.